Okay. Okay. Right on. Not bad. Okay. So here we go. Okay, you guys, who's powering the shower unit? Well, my friends, you go. So it's not perfect, but it's working. Okay, look at that. Yeah. Okay, well, we can take a shower. So yeah, okay, it's set up, my friends. Let's see how the fire it's gonna operate here once we okay. But definitely, guys, this shower, it's not for a nomad that is living in the van and doing the van life, because it's gonna be too difficult to pack it and unpack it, and it's difficult to find a place to hang it somewhere, you know. But if you have a cabin, then it's completely fine, because you can set this one up somewhere and it's always gonna be there. But to assemble and disassemble this, like let's say every second or third day, it's impossible. So